Interest like Graphic Design Mondays, how to go from 0 to 100 in just 20 minutes using Canva for business owners, creatives, and side hustlers. Welcome, Royalty Fam. Welcome back to Graphic Mondays. Today, we're diving into how you can level up your business visuals fast. No tech skills required. So here's what you'll be learning today. Canva Templates 101, exploring element tabs, AI tools inside Canva, secret features, frames, collections, and mockups. Let's start with templates. Canva has thousands of templates ready to go. From Instagram posts to business cards, just search your niche, click, and customize. You'll have a pro level design in just minutes. Why templates matter? No more wasting time trying to figure it out. Templates are your shortcut to publish branding, using them to create Instagram graphics, t-shirts, mockups, thank you cards, and of course, promo flyers. So elements equals Canva's powerhouse. Tap into the elements tab to add shapes, stickers, icons, lines, arrows, backgrounds, photo grids, and plus cool textures, just to name a few. Using frames for visual punch, drag photos into the paint stroke shapes, the Polaroid layouts, the laptop screens, which is great for product mockups, and your lifestyle contents. And don't sleep on mockups. Add your designs to your t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and it's also perfect for Etsy shops and of course your online stores. And here are the hidden gems. The collections tab. You have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the elements tab. There you'll find it and you'll just have to click on collections, and each pack has roughly 25 to 50 matching graphics, which is perfect for cohesive designs across platforms. And let's talk about our AI image generator. This is a game changer. It's found inside the Elements tab. Type what you need. For instance, Afro woman journaling with pink crystals. Get custom image instantly. And How about the use of AI to be limitless? No more settling for stock images, create scenes, mood, and aesthetics that match your brand and story. New AI tools in the main menu. Canva can now design based on prompts, write content, generate images, draft simple codes, just ask, and Canva does the heavy lifting. And I'm definitely guys going to show you guys something that I created. All right, Novelty fam, gather around because this next part is so good. I had to share it with you. Canva just dropped a feature that honestly made me do a double take. AI that can write code, like actual code inside Canva. And before you get intimidated, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through it, show you around a little bit, and you get to see how it is that I use it. So I decided to test it out by asking the AI to create a meditation timer. Well, not exactly. That's just an option that comes with it, but you can change it around. So, bam, just like that, in a few seconds, it gave me this, a clean 15-minute meditation clock layout, completed with a functioning code. I mean, we're doing self-care and tech. Sign me up. Now watch this. I'm going to change it from 15 minutes to 20. One line of code. No tech degree needed, just a little bit of curiosity. Now, y'all don't really know me as yet, but I'm a little bit extra. I think exactly why I couldn't just stop here. I had to give it a full Novelty Queens glow up. So I went in and I requested to change the colors to match my band palette. Some soft pinks, gold accents, and a little bit of black. And just like that, it felt like me. Okay, so here's what I want y'all to chime in. So imagine what you could create with this. A custom website section for your small biz, a cute little mini game for your product page, maybe a digital journal or mood tracker for your audience. I don't know, drop your ideas in the comments. I'm dying to hear, as usual, what y'all would build with this. Now, quick heads up. Unfortunately, not everyone has access to this coding feature yet. Canva is still rolling it out. So if you don't see it in your menu, don't panic. Just keep your Canva updated and stay tuned. The moment it hits your dashboard, play with it, experiment, make something totally random. That's how I ended up with this meditation timer. And honestly, no regrets. And what does this mean for you? Even if you're new, even if you're not a designer, you can build a brand that looks published and feels professional, all in under 20 minutes. Let's recap. 0 to 100 formula. First, choose a template. Second, customize your elements. Third, use AI for graphics plus copy. 4, add frames, mockup, and collections. And 5, download and share. That's it. You're done. And some pro tips: use consistent colors and fonts. Save your designs as brand templates. Duplicate your designs to create series. And remember, you got this. You don't need fancy software or years of experience. You just need a little Canva and a whole lot of passion. And of course, there's always me if that doesn't work out. So let's go together. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Graphic Design Mondays. Tag me when you use these tips. I'd love to see your creations. And my final thoughts: keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. I'll catch you later, Alfie fam.